Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between right and right. It is very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused how to spell these words since they sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Right, spelled R-I-G-H-T, can be an adjective, noun, or adverb. Let's review right as an adjective. If something is right, it means it is true or correct. Example: you have the right answer on your test. If something is right, it can also mean it is morally good, just, or fair. Example: it isn't right that only Joe got in trouble. Jack was misbehaving too. Let's review right as a noun. A right is a just claim, whether legal or moral. Examples: you have the right to remain silent. I believe in equal rights for all of humanity. Right as an adverb can mean immediately. Example: you must come right home after school. It can also mean exactly or directly. Example: Brad Pitt sat right behind me at the cinema. Right, spelled W-R-I-T-E, is a verb and means to trace or form characters, letters, words, etc. on the surface of some material, as with a pen, pencil, or other writing tool. Let's look at some examples. I write letters to my grandparents every month. Can you read and write in Spanish? My boyfriend is a writer. Now let's practice some examples using both right and right. Sorry, I'll write you right away. It isn't right that your brother never writes you. Did I write down the right answer? Now it's your turn to practice. Your homework is to write one sentence using right and one sentence using right. Write your sentences in the comment section of this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson on the difference between right and right. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.